Bruh, I be trying to tell niggas, we live in a video game world, bruh. Half of these niggas ain't even real people, bruh. Watch this, bruh. That can't be a real nigga.
Hi guys. Ew, that was bad. This is like my first time talking, so sorry. Hey guys, it's Chanelle. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome if you're new. As you guys can see from the title, today we're just having a good day, like getting shit done. Right now it's 2:49 p.m. and it's Saturday, June 11th. I don't know if you cared. I don't know if my camera might look different just because I changed my camera settings, so I hope it looks good. Like, I feel really good even just doing like the bare minimum of, you know, getting ready for the day type of thing. I have a whole list right here of things that I need to get done today. My number one thing is to get an oil change. So I'm gonna call my dealership to see if I can come in today. I'm not going to the one that I got my car from because that's all the way in West Palm and I'm not doing what I did last time. Hold on, my mom's calling me. Hello? I'm trying to see if I can get an appointment to get my oil change. Okay, love you.
Thank you for calling Condon Honda. This call may be recorded for quality assurance. To reach our service department, press 1. To schedule a service appointment, press 1.
I was just wondering if I could make an appointment for today for an oil change.
But not for today. Let me have a phone number. We have a record here for you.
561.
Let me start with the first name.
Chanelle.
That's a nice name, Chanelle.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's very cute. And the last name?
James, James.
Let me have your email address.
No, I don't need a rotation. I'll do 11 on Tuesday. My mom brought me some fruits. I made my appointment for Tuesday. They didn't have availability today. I'm pretty sure I didn't have to make an actual appointment. Like, I could have just shown up. But I feel like it would have took so long because they're trying to get to the appointments first. I used to work in a dealership, so I know. But at least I got it scheduled and soon. So these fruits are technically my breakfast. It's raining. I live in Florida and it rains the most in the summer here. Even though it's raining, we're still gonna have a good day. Okay? That's so aggy. Like, I can't even go outside because I'm not trying to get wet. I really like this thing that I use, the Benefit 24-hour brow setter. And I tweeze my eyes. What? And I tweeze my eyes. I tweezed my eyebrows the day before my birthday, so this isn't even like the full thickness of my brows. I'm not gonna let the rain motivate me, so while it's raining, I'll just get things done that I need to get done from inside my house. It finally stopped raining. Now I can do stuff like outside of the house that I need to take care of. Battery for the Civic EX.
Yeah, I got them in stock. They're $8.51 with the tax.
Okay.
You said the battery, but the battery, right? Battery
yeah.
for the fob?
Yes.
Yeah, we got.
Okay, can I come in today?
Yep, I'm here till 5.
Okay, thank you. I guess we are going to the dealership. My key fob battery is dying, like, and it's been saying that I think since like last year, and I haven't gotten a new battery. The other day I attempted to. I went to Home Depot to try to get it, but it didn't work out because they didn't even know what. Yeah, so we're just gonna get it done by the professionals. I just got to Honda, but I wanted to show you guys like what's been happening to my car since I need a new key fob. It's nothing bad. It's just my car makes this noise. Yeah, it does that every single time, and it's so annoying. Bro, I look so good. I don't know if it's the camera setting or just how I did my makeup. Is it the eyebrow thing? Let me find out. Hey, we finally got a new key fob battery for show. I also got a key fob case. I only got it because it was pink. I really need to get a car wash. My car is so, bro, it's so dirty. What? Every time I come here, I get problems. Fuck. Okay, I'm getting a car wash. Car washes are so scary. Like, I'm so scared. I'm gonna put my seatbelt on.
Girl, hold on. You better so voice at me. You know I got a pimp you. Yeah, hold up. Drink go see with the book bag. Rat tag got a little kick bag. Hunters on got a good bag. You will never ever get your bitch back. 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 Let me get it over, but I left off. Little fuck around, got a nigga pissed off. I got still far on this high school. Got still far on. Fuck out that fighting like Tyson. No, hold up, girl. A couple of pills and I got my soda filled. Break out the school, I go hit over here for you. She think she the plumber to me, she ain't never the feel. I done dripping like a god with her. I been dodging all the flies with her. I been feeling like a body with her. I gave her up from the touch with her. Close your eyes, I'm at the slide. Wonder why.
I just realized something. Oh my god. It's so hot. Bro, my brows look so good. Eat it out. Okay. What I just put was it was soap. So now there's soap on my car. I don't care. I'm sweating. Now I'm just I'm about to go across the street because I have that bucket that you guys saw me put in my trunk. I have to put water in that because that is our water source. Like, we don't buy water bottles and stuff, basically. That bottle is like connected to a machine and then that shit comes out.
Badly, baby, Katie, cool, titties, easy, wavy, eyes lazy, my knives, it's crazy, her price.
I just put $42 in my tank. They need to stop raising these prices because y'all just about to make me not even go anywhere anymore. Before gas prices started raising, Rising. I only had to put $30 in my tank, but we got a full tank, so that makes me happy.
I said, girl, why you keep cut? I'm gonna wanna fuck with you.
I got my young.
Hello? Who this? Fucking that hoe for the low.
I got these little air freshener scents from Francesca's something. Comes with a pack of 2 and it has lemons on it and it's so cute. So we're gonna put that in my car. I'm just gonna put the other one in my glove compartment. I think this is, what was the scent? The scent is tropical and citrus fruit. Oh my gosh, it smells really good actually. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It's so adorable. And it has like a cute little bead. Oh, that's so adorable. That is what it looks like. As it's 6 o'clock. Like, bro, you cannot tell me I did not get stuff done today. I'm eating a croissant. This is actually my second one. I'm drinking Welch's. These are so good, bro. Like, I'm so tired and I want to take a nap. I just got back from the dollar store. I didn't show you guys. I didn't bring you guys because yeah, I don't give a fuck. I got like lame stuff, like nothing exciting. I got this caramel cone ice cream bar. These are so good. I got my razors and then I got an eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it as a lip liner. This is black brown. This is by LA Colors. I'm gonna eat this and I'm gonna figure out something to watch while I eat, and then I'm gonna play Mortal Kombat. I'm trying to learn how to play Melina and, like, you know, if you know, you know, yeah. And then after, I want to play Dead by Daylight. I have the character, what's her name? Elodie. You have to like buy her, like she's not a character that like, she's not a character that comes with the game, like an automatic character. You have to buy her. She's a black girl, she's so cute. This is what it looks like. I'm just gonna watch TikToks and I'm just gonna chill right now. Yo, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. It's 7 p.m. right now, but it's not even the same day that I was talking to you guys, which was yesterday. It's a whole new day. What happened? What was the last thing you guys saw me do? I guess I was showing you guys what I got from the dollar store. Lighting looks so bad. I knew I wasn't gonna finish it yesterday just because I had to go see my boyfriend yesterday. That like took up the rest of my night. And then I got back home at like 11 a.m. and then I went to sleep and I woke up at, I kept waking up because I was eating sushi. Yeah, but I actually woke up I think at 5. I don't just want to end the video, so I'm just gonna do like, I just want to do a couple more things. And I guess this goes to show that you don't have to complete every single thing that you want to do in a day, as long as you get it done. I know my shirt looks really big. It's my boyfriend's. I'm gonna get my laptop. I'm going to edit this video, not this video, but another video that I've been wanting to get up since Saturday. Today's Sunday. I'm gonna just finish editing it. I'm actually already done editing it. Like, I already did the rough draft, which is just like cutting out unnecessary parts. It's my birthday. Yo, y'all sound pretty late. My day was so good. Basically, this birthday was like my 19th birthday. My hair looks it's 10:30. I just got back from Ross because I got a new purse. Punto. Oh wait, I got, how do you say I got? I don't know, I'll say I have. Yo tengo un nuevo cartera. Mi cartera está negro. También bought comida y un bebé mango. Anyways, I try to practice my Spanish as much as I possibly can. Like, even if I'm not learning on Duolingo, if I'm like just saying random words, like, you know, going throughout my human activities, I would say stuff like out loud or in my head. I got a choppy chop. I just got white rice, beans, and corn. I usually get the quarter chicken, value meal, leg, and thigh, but they didn't have it. They were all out of meat on the bone. And did you know these are actually called choppy chop? I've been saying a choppy chop. It's a choppy chop. Let me take a thumbnail picture. This is my food. Always gotta have the, I don't know if it's called tarantula. I just say white sauce. The garlic, whatever you want to call it. The video that you guys saw me working on earlier, I finished it. And I've been finished it, but it was taking forever to upload in HD. I was gonna upload it today, but it got late. So I'm just gonna do it tomorrow. Hoy no quiero trabajar. I don't want to work. ¿Por qué no? ¿Estás cansado? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Por qué no? Because why? Wait. Because why? Why not? Are you tired? Tu padre está preocupado. Mi madre también está preocupada. Your dad is your dad worried? My mother's also worried. Manuel está enojado. Manuel is angry. ¿Y por qué no estoy en el restaurante? ¿Y por qué? And why? ¿Por qué está blank tu maestro enojado? Mi maestra también está enojada. Why is your teacher angry? My teacher is also angry.
¿Cómo estás esta mañana, Juan?
How are you this morning, Juan? This is so cute. Él está aburrido en la fiesta. Ella también está aburrida. He is bored at the party. She is also bored at the party. No, she is also bored.
Pedro, tú siempre estás aburrido.
Pedro, you are always bored.
¿Tu hijo está triste o feliz?
This morning I'm very tired. Esta mañana estoy muy cansada. Pedro, you are always bored. Pedro, siempre estás aburrido. Why are you worried, Amanda? ¿Por qué estás preocupada, Amanda? Who is sick, Juan or Jose? ¿Qué es enfermo, Juan o Jose? ¿Quién? Camera's about to die, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of you guys just spending 2 days with me. It was very eventful. Like, we did a lot. I'm gonna continue reading my book so that I can get to the next chapter. Right now I'm on chapter 7, so I'm gonna stop at chapter 8 for tonight. By the way, the book that I'm reading is called It Ends With Us by Colleen Hoover. It's really good so far. I need to go to bed soon because I have work tomorrow. If you are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and press the notification bell so you guys be notified every single time that your girl posts. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.